Okay, a little video on remotes. So this is a remote for the satellite, and this will turn on off the TV. That's the little one. Turn on. The bigger one at the top will turn off the satellite dish. Turn it on. So it's the gray one that runs that. This big black one runs the TV, but if you look closely, you'll see a button that's called input. When you click input, you'll notice, I'll have to make this bigger. You will notice up here, satellite dish, and you'll see IPTV. If you click it down to IPTV, now we're going to use this remote. We can actually turn off the TV with this remote, with this button at the top, and we can control the volume of the TV, although we're using the volume in the speakers, and the volume behind me up here is what we're also using there. So using this remote, we're going to hit the home button, and it will take you to IPTV. The circle goes right, left, up, down, and this is the middle part for select. You'll want to go across. That gets you to the live TV. This updates it. So you want to move it down to there and then hit the center button and just update. So that gives you the live TV update. The same thing with the movies and series as they've been changed. If we go into live TV, again, the center button. So let me back up. I'm using the back button right here. And you see I'm over on movies, series, live TV. Big center button. And on here, you have, 12,000 channels. You come across, you can come down to wherever you're looking for. Here is Canadian television and all the Canadian channels. You go across, over, and select what you're looking for. And then once you get that, you click it. That brings it in the small pane. You can see the what's on. And when you click it again, that's your full screen. And it will disappear in a second, and it goes to the live TV. Also in here, in back, I just use the back, just use the back arrow key. You'll see you've got local television stations or sports. And what I'm doing is I'm going down here, and when I get, say, sports, and I click the center button, it then brings you to the channels to the center button. Moving back, which is the right side of the circle, and down, you'll see UK, you'll see NFL, OHL, HL, all kinds of different stuff. Gonna go back to the series or movies. If there's something specifically looking for, if you go up to the master, which is up there, click on it, which is center button, click to the right, it will get here. You can then hold down this blue button, and that's the Alexa button. So we could do something like dragons, and it will automatically do it once you release the button, and you can see where you're at next. You select next, and it would show you on whether it's a movie, whether it's a series, or whether it's programs, what there is in that category. So that's sort of like the master search. So again, we go up to it, click the center button, the right button, and then when you click down the blue, just hold it and say something. House of Cards. You can also type it in manually if you wish. And then you can see that it's right now it's on next. We go next, and it will show you what it's got. whether it was a series or whether it was live TV. So there's the series House of Cards. So it's just picking up all the Netflix stuff that's in there. In the same token, we'll go back to the home button when in doubt, home button. And on the home button, you can see this is IPTV and various different free television stuff that's in there. All kinds of it. If you went down to the App Store, you can see all kinds of free TV movies and stuff like that. It's thousands of the suckers. But we're in IPTV. And we'll use back. And we're back to there. That's it.